So I'm going to show you how to install the Java Jdk on Windows. So the first thing you want to do is press the Windows button and type cmd to bring up the command prompt. Now if you type Java version, you can check to see if Java is already installed. So I already have Java 11 installed, but if you don't have it installed, nothing will come up. So I'm going to install Java 17 and then that's going to come up here. So to install Java, you have to go and search for the Java Jdk and then just click on the first link. Then if you just scroll down and click on Windows and click MSI installer, then that will just install. So you can just wait for that to download. So once that's downloaded, you can just click on it to open it. So all you have to do is press next. This just shows you where it'll be installed by default: program files, Java, and then Java Jdk 17. So you should just leave that as the default and press next. And then press close. So now if you close the window there and press Windows and type cmd again to bring up the command prompt again. If you type Java version, you see it says Java 17 now instead of Java 11, so Java's been installed. But if this doesn't come up, or you want to switch back to a different version of Java, what you can do is press the Windows button and type env and then press enter. So this will bring up system properties where you can change the environment variables. So if you click in here and then scroll down to system variables, click on path. So this file path at the top is the one that's pointing to Java 17, and the one underneath is the one that's pointing to Java 11. So if I just click on this and click move up, that'll move it to the top. So now I click OK, and then bring up the command prompt again and type Java version. You'll see that Java 11 comes up.